pull in the new use script. So notice it says download on all of these things. I think it's assuming that I don't have any of these. I'm not going to update all because I only want to bring things in one at a time so that I can test them before pulling them into any of my scenes. Okay, let's import this. Yep, all. Import! All right. So who's on with me today? What's going on here? Let me see if I can get the chat window up. There we go. Okay. Now let's... Hey, Juby! Jujubes! Oh my god, I fucking love you guys. Okay, so, yay! Okay. Alright. So, let's see, is this ready to import? Let's import all of this shit. All right. Now, once we get the scripting going, let's spend a couple of minutes and make Dumpster Baby look a little more Dumpster Baby-ish. What do you guys think about that, huh? By the way, when I look left, to my left, I'm looking at the chat room, so you can type some stuff to me. Script editor, let's see this action. This up and going. Also, I see that you can't see my full inspector. Okay, let's look at the main script. Without changing anything, let's just save it. Actually, we will rebuild all in a second, is what we'll do. Open this up a little bit, close this down a little bit. Rebuild all graphs, give that a second. Okay, so we have buildings that come in, we have a dumpster. It's not really a dumpster yet, it's a block. So let me test this to make sure that it works. Yeah, I'm sure we have plenty of warnings and asserts here. It's not gonna like any of this stuff. Right there. We will. Okay, more Dumpster Baby. Dumpster Baby, you're the one. Dumpster Baby, you're lots of fun. Dumpster Baby on a Saturday. Dumpster Baby. Okay, let's see if I think I need to open up Necronauticon again. I'll put this. Because I clearly have some issues here. I don't think it likes a lot of this stuff. Let's see. Okay, I am going to... re-import all of this and see what happens. Like I said, I might have to start from scratch, so we may end up, I may punt that, not have it on camera. I'll rebuild it off camera while we sort of build a new dumpster. So if I don't get it to run here real quickly, I will change scenes, and we will get a dumpster going. Okay. All right, Janice. There's 5 viewers, including me. Into confetti. All right, so does anybody have any questions about how we're going to do this with Dumpster Baby? So we got our force. Let's go back to this. Notice that I put a couple of different things here. Here's our dumpster. Let's make it a little bit... La, 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 la. Okay, and that's going to be our no. Oh, there it is. It's under these. Hold on. Pivot. Right, and then what I'm going to do is exert all of my scripting forces and etc. on this pivot, and the dumpster will animate separately or take direction differently. So like the pivot will allow me to go left and right and be the joint that lets the dumpster spin. Okay, just think of it as like a real physics object, where this is like think of it like you guys remember those old school hockey games where like the hockey players were in a slot and then they could spin? It's kind of the same thing. It's like we're going to do something like that. Okay, come on, do that shit. If that doesn't work, hey Josh, and here's I'm going to show you the way I do these things. Is like I'm trying to jam it all in at the same time. If this doesn't work, I'm going to open up a brand new project and a brand new scene and verify that the pieces work before trying to come back in to this other thing, and then I can just do the pivot and the dumpster at the same time, and it'll work out. Build. It might be time for me to get a new computer. Okay, did we answer these? How do I know when to spawn buildings? The buildings past the camera, although we did this with a timer. All right. Well, that's the answer to my question. How do I know when to delete buildings? Same thing. Timer message. And when it's done moving. Okay. Okay, this you script build may not work with this. We may have to go to Playmaker. Vince, if this doesn't work for me in this week, we're going to go over to Playmaker and get this running. Yeah, look at all those deprecated nodes. Okay, when they're purple like this, it means that they're not going to run. Let's remove generated code. Hit fix all down here. You see this? There's graph contains. I am going to see if I can fix all of these. It looks like it's not liking it. Yeah, I've got some compile issues. Let's see if we can... 0 nodes. See this down here? We're successfully upgraded. Okay, let's clear this. These are still issues. All right. Okay, we're going to go to Build Dumpster Baby, and I will work this out on a different time. So we're going to start a new project. New Unity project. Dumpster Baby. just call it Dumpster Baby Model. Give this a second to open up. I won't bring in UScript. We will create a new scene, right? By the way, that skybox is the new, I think, the new way they're doing all of that. So let's make this blue. Do they have a default skybox? I don't see one. Yeah, let's just go solid color for now. I'll make it a little less annoying and bright on the eyes. Okay, now let's game object, 3D object. Let's create an empty. We'll give this one the physics. Let's give it a rigid body. Do you see it? There we go. Rigid body. There we go. Let's see. DB pivot. Okay. We're going to do create a plane. Where's this guy? Here we go. We'll make this. What did I make it before? Like 40 long. We'll do 10 wide by 40 on the Z. That'll give us this sort of a thing. No, I don't like that. Let's go 40 long here and 10. That'll do for now. Okay, take this up that way. Where's my camera? Z is -10. Let's actually make this 0. X is -10. No, let's make this +10. Okay. That's where that is. We'll raise it up just a little bit. Let's point it down just slightly. Nope. Oh, it's facing the wrong way. Face it this way up our street. So this is going to be 0, -90, and 0 again. Now, I could tell I was watching it. If you watched it, the view cone was moving. So let's point it down just a little bit. Let's raise it up just a little bit. So it's at 12. We'll call it 20. We'll call this 0. No, it was actually -10. Hold on. It's actually +10. Okay. Let's put the pivot at 0, 0, 0. That's fine. Let's put a 3D object. Let's put a cube on top of it for now, just so I can see it. Okay, this cube will be our reference object on top of that pivot. Now, let's go change this plane. Look at the materials. It's a default material. Let's skip that. Let's go to, oh wow, I have nothing pulled in here. Let's pull in some stuff. Assets, import package, cameras, import that. Cross-platform input. I haven't seen that yet. Let's look at cross-platform input. That's new, Josh. That's a completely new thing. Okay, we're good to go. No. Oh, I'll play around with vehicles next week. But for now, let's just do that. Let's bring in prototyping. Let's see what that is. What the hell? Okay, I hope I got some stuff. What's in the prototyping folder? Materials, navy. Okay, we got some grids. Let's change this material to something a little bit more. Oof, boy, that's ugly. Call it that. Okay, let's save this.